again had a great session with you guys. So take care. Let me from where I can stop. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I have shared you the link. Yeah, just give me 1 second. Let me share it once again. Share the link. Okay, here's the link. Ashwini, if you want to connect with me at any time, you can just drop a mail. I think they are not allowed us to give me the give the profile, provide their LinkedIn profile. Otherwise, I would have done that. Okay, that's the first thing that I will do. All right, no worries. If you ever wanted to talk to me anytime you wanted to have, just put my name over the mail and they will somehow connect me with you. Okay, no worries. Take care, guys. Good night. See you there in whenever we'll have a next session, and all the best. What is your name? Nice question, guys. My name is Aryan Raj. Really, always we won't miss your class energy, right? No worries. Again, bring the same energy. Talk, interact with your trainer, and it will help you. I would have shared Mudit, but it's not allowed for me to do on the team and all. Okay, guys, take care. Good night, and yeah, see you there in the next session. Bye bye.
I agree. पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. मतलब क्लास खत्म हुई है. अब अटेंडेंस लगानी पड़ती है ना क्लास के बाद. यार ये पढ़ाई भी कैसी हो गई है. जब पढ़ाई का टाइम था तब पढ़े नहीं. अब कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. एक चीज को 10 बार पढ़ना पड़ता है. तब जाके थोड़ा दिमाग में घुस रहा है। मेरठ से हैं भाई। मेरठ से हैं भाई। मेरठ नहीं, मेरठ। मेरठ है यूपी में। मेरठ नहीं, मेरठ। मेरठ है यूपी में। यार ये एल्गोरिथम भी ना।
I've shared in the collab file in the last class. I'll be writing in my Google Colab file. Okay. So this is an online compiler that we are having, not compiler, interpreter. So we'll just run this. Click on this. You'll get a website like this. Okay. This kind of we can say interface you'll be getting. Okay. I'll just copy the link also for you in the chat. Okay. Just click on that link. Make sure that your account is logged in. Your Gmail account is logged in. Just click on this new notebook. Okay. Once you click on this new notebook, a file like this is going to be open. Okay. Currently, I have written everything. I mean, some of the thing, but initially you'll getting something like this. Okay. And this is my code block where I write the code. Let's say print something. If I write, it will be printed out. Okay. It is an online, so first of all, it will take time to connect. Once it is going to be connected, then there will not be any issue. Okay. So let's say it is connecting right now. Yes. See, we are getting the output. So this is the path, or this is the one of our user interface. This is a software that we are using for um, platform that we are using for Python. Okay. Clear till here, you know? Or for those who's first this, I mean,
कैसे
for
हो
those who are
दोस्तों?
joining for the first time in this class. Clear? Okay. Now there is something called as this code block, and there is something called as this text block. Text block I'll be using to write the notes, because I know that I'll be using the notes for just to make you understand everything. Now this is IPy file. In Python notebook file, what we have code, individual code cells, and with that we are having a note part also where I can write some notes. Okay, I can write some notes as well. So in the text block, I'll be writing the notes. There are some things, some you can say syntax we are going to use, like hashtag is going to convert the sentence into a heading. These stars is going to convert into the bullet points that you will learn automatically when we are going to work multiple times on this file. You will be able to understand. Okay. So these are my code. Sorry, these are my text block, and this is my code block. These are my code blocks. So we have discussed about what is Python. Okay. Python is nothing. It's just a Python programming language, one of a type of programming language that we are having. Okay. And it is an open source high level programming language. Okay. High level means you don't have to tell what you have to, I mean, how you have to do. You just write what to do. Your Python code is going to be execute and give you the output. You don't have to go in depth how you are going to do that. Okay, that's your high level language. Multiple libraries we are having. Based on these library, because of these libraries, you can use Python in a different domain, like in your data science, in your visualization, even game development, backend development, machine learning and AI. That's our main goal for Python. Data science and machine learning is the one of the most usable libraries, or you can say domain, where Python is being used. Okay. And then we have discussed about variables. What was variable? It is just a container that stores the different kind of data. For example, number is a container that stores value 50. How we can create a variable, that we have seen yesterday. Okay. We have seen that there are some rules to create the variables as well. Okay. So variables are case sensitive. Keyword must not be used. Okay. It means that keywords like with, for, in, not, if, elif, and while, these are some of the keywords which is predefined in my Python. So I won't be using these names to create a variable. Okay. Otherwise it will create a, then we cannot start a variable with a number. You cannot start a variable with a number like 1x, 2x. No, that's a wrong approach. You can end a variable with a number same like this. x1 is equals to 10, x2 is equals to 10. That's different. But you cannot start a variable with a number. And you cannot give a space in between the letters. For example, if you want to give a space, you will use underscore. Okay, instead of giving the space directly, you will use underscore to connect them. Okay, space is not uh, appreciable in my Python. It's incorrect. Okay. Then we have discussed that variable is going to store the variables are what? Container that store different type of data. What kind of data? Different type of data. Now what are these different type of data that we are going to store? That is my numeric data, text data, and boolean data. Okay. Now what is numeric data? Numbers. Simple. Okay. And numbers is basically what? There are three type of numeric data we are having. Integer, which means all the positive and negative value including zero. Okay. Those are my integer. Similarly, we are having floating. Float data is what? All the positive and negative decimal values. Okay, whenever you will have any decimal value, that will be a floating data. Then we have discussed about complex data. Now in your childhood, you might have studied that there is something known as imaginary numbers, right? These integer and float is what? Real numbers. And combination of real number with the imaginary number that we denote here by j is what? My complex data. Okay, that kind of expression is my complex data. Then we have discussed about text data type. Okay, text data type is what? Whenever you are having anything like a word, sentence, or a letter, that comes under my text data type. In text data type, we are having only one, that is string. How we create string? We pass the value in between these double quotes or single quotes. Both, any one of you can use it. Okay, either you can use this double quote also, even you can use this single quote also. Okay, so first name, last name. Okay, we are having it. We can simply create a name. Now, if you see, this is my string data type. Boolean data type. Boolean means true, false. Okay.
Hi everyone. नमस्ते निकिता जी. जय श्री राम मिस्टर यूट्यूबर सर. कहाँ से? मेरठ से. जय भीम. कैसे हैं अजय जी? स्टेट कौन सा है? स्टेट है यूपी, उत्तर प्रदेश. ऋषभ शेट्टी. कैसे हैं सर? कोई ना, यहाँ तो सब यूट्यूबर ही हैं। पंजाब से। गुड। कहाँ से हैं मैडम आप हिमाचल में? हिमाचल तो घूमा है थोड़ा बहुत। देखिए थोड़ा बहुत घूमे, मनाली गए थे, बद्दी गए थे, और उससे आगे भी गए थे, मनाली से आगे। ऊना गया हुआ हूँ मैं। ऊना में एक क्या है, एक वो है गुरुद्वारा, उस गुरुद्वारे में गए थे। एक मेरे साथ के थे, उनके साथ। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके, बात करके। अब मुझे जाना होगा क्योंकि मेरी क्लास ख़त्म हो गई है। थैंक यू, आप आए।